Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone is on Android 12 or a ROM that supports the new clock widget. This is crucial because the widget uses system APIs. Next, install Pixel Launcher or a launcher that supports Android 12 widgets, then make sure widget and overlay permissions are granted. Once done, long press the home screen to enter edit mode, tap widgets, and scroll to the clock group. Selecting it now begins the widget placement process and prepares you for customization. Now choose the Android 12 clock variant and size, small, medium, or large, because layout affects readability and available shortcuts. Tap the widget to open style options, change accent color, transparency, and 12/24-hour format, and adjust any shortcut links like alarm or clock app. Once you've configured visuals, drag the widget to the home screen slot, make sure it snaps correctly, and test tap actions. This ensures the widget remains responsive across orientations and different home screen pages. Finish by locking the layout if your launcher supports it, then reboot to confirm the widget persists after a restart. If the widget disappears, reset it by removing and re-adding, and clear the launcher cache in settings to fix corruption. Make sure the launcher and system are updated. If problems continue, confirm widget permissions and overlays are enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the launcher before deeper fixes. This often restores widget functionality without wiping home screen data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.